Hi friends, welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. If your gallery quickly fills up with screenshots that you only share once, I have the solution for you. Your Samsung Galaxy phone has an option that enables exactly that: automatic deletion of screenshots after sharing. This practical feature saves space and keeps your gallery clean. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this option in just a few steps. Grab your phone and let's get started. First, find and open Settings on your phone. Once in Settings, scroll down and locate the Advanced Features option, then tap on it. When you're in Advanced Features, among the many available options, find Screenshots and Screen Recordings and tap it. Now on this page, under the Screenshot section, you'll see an option called Delete After Sharing. Tap the switch next to it to enable this feature. When you take a screenshot, a toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen where you'll find the share icon that allows you to quickly share the screenshot. After you share it, the screenshot will automatically be deleted from your gallery, helping to keep things organized and freeing up space on your device. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon.